Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing about the mirroring app, how you can measure things from one place to another point from iPhone 16 Pro Max. So firstly you need to go to the utilities section here, and there's an app measure. Okay, you need to open the app, and I have this object. I'll place it here to show you what I'm doing here. I want the distance from this point to this point. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just like this. As you can see, I'm just pointing here a button and taking it over to, as you can see, the point B, and pointing it out. Okay, it's showing me that the distance is 18 centimeter. I can point anywhere I want, like this. From here I want another point to the upside. Okay, so I can do this. Okay, so as you can see, I have 3 dimensions, and once you rotate your phone like this, it will show you the clear data, and you can measure the object's length like this. Okay, so we have another option in this is level. If you want to check the level of anything, you can check on your iPhone like this. I'm placing it over to check if it's leveled or not, like just like this. Okay, so it is showing how you can check the level of anything. It's very cool app and pretty basic too. So that's how you can do it by mirroring or leveling the different things. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you want such more tutorials, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.